Oh, okay. Hey guys, what's up? Got an eBay package today from via Australia Post. Yeah, as you already know, already know by the title what this is, but in case you don't, I won't tell you. Basically, I bid for this on Sunday, and it came Friday night. So it took 5 days, which is okay. Yeah. I bid for it about 15 Australian dollars. Yeah, 15 Australians plus like $2 postage, which is alright. Not $3 postage, I think. So about $18 all up. Which is about 16 American dollars, 15 American dollars. Don't know, something like that. So yeah, what can I actually use to unbox? Alright, I'm gonna use this. I got this last week. It's a Victorinox. Focus. Victorinox waiter. Yeah. It's pretty nice. It's actually really sharp, straight out of the box. And yes, let's unbox this. You know, there's a pulley thing here, like just pull it open. But I'm not gonna do that. Who does that? Straight through. Okay. You can't even see it. Oh! Put it aside. Is there anything in the package? Wait, is there? No. Put it away. Wait, stop. Okay. Whoa. Bubble wrap! Whoa! Soup tape. God, so much tape. Oh, love these boxes, as you can see. Oh, you can see now. Lucky ace. Oh. You can see my camera there. This is a higher polish chrome. I really don't want to get fingerprints on it. Oh, okay, I'll clean it after. Oh, wow. It's new. It doesn't have the orange sticker on the back because it has been like striped a few times. Like it hasn't never been striped. It just doesn't have the thing. But as you can see, it's pretty new. It actually is new. Oh, I can't see that. I should give it a close up of it. Oh yeah. Wow, it's so nice. If you're thinking of getting this one, I recommend getting it. New wick. Don't really want to do that much. As you can see, made in January, February. Oh, you do it. It's F11. I don't want to work it out. And let's take out the insert. Insert was made in F11 as well, so that's really good. But oh, it's really beautiful Zippo. New flint. High polish chrome. Lucky ace. Wow. So yeah, wow, it's beautiful, man. I tell you, it's so beautiful. Anyway, I thought I was getting 2 packages today because that wasn't enough. Probably should be coming Monday because it's express postage. But yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing. Sorry if it's really bad. I'm not very good at unboxings, but I'll get better. Don't worry, I will get better. So thanks for watching, guys, and peace. Ah!